Okay, everyone. It's not considered as a blizzard. But what the news say? They saying that this is not a blizzard, but the wind, I would say, approximately is going 10 miles an hour, and this has happened since 7 o'clock this morning, and this is snow, all snow, everywhere. Snow, 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 more snow. It's not supposed to end until I think later on tonight, 12 o'clock a.m. And this is in Kansas City, Missouri. And as you can see, kids are playing in it. That's our tennis court and basketball court. That's the pond over there. The ducks are sitting on the frozen ice, and me in the snow, bundled up. They're playing, and I'm going back inside because this is crazy. Once again, y'all, this is Kansas City, Missouri. I'm out. Bye.